Hey friends, Greg with the Pennywise guys. I'm going to show you an awesome trick on how to clean hard water deposits off your fixtures in your bathroom and in your kitchen. Let me show you how it's done. Let's get started. I have a really awesome method of removing hard water calcium deposits off of sink fixtures, other fixtures that have buildup from hard water. Chrome, brushed, doesn't matter. It doesn't hurt the finish. It's an awesome method to clean that off, and it only costs a couple, 3 pennies. Let me show you. The use of aluminum foil is the trick. A couple pieces like that, and I just like to wad it up a little bit, and we'll go ahead and get it wet. Just do it wet, and we'll just start rubbing it. And I'll show you how easy and fast it comes off. That spot was really bad. The reason I crinkle up, I can get into the crevices better. If it was just one flat surface, I'd probably leave it flat. But being that we got these crevices, so let me show you. Look how clean that is, just with that. We'll go ahead and work across the front here. A lot of buildup, and it may take a couple more, a sheet or two more, depends on how much we have. And we can get into the cracks and crevices. And over here, and it doesn't scratch the finish, believe it or not. This is a shiny chrome, and it doesn't scratch the finish. And I can take a rag and wipe it off and see where we're at. Okay. But it works good. And of course, this was build up over a period of time, so don't let this build up this much, and it comes off very quickly. But this is pretty thick, and so a little bit of light scrubbing there, and then we can wipe it off and see where we're at on that. We're getting there. We're getting there. You don't have to run down to the store and buy the caustic. This marble here has got a lot of buildup, so I may need an extra piece for that because it's got a lot of buildup right there. Yeah, so we'll go ahead and grab another piece and get the chrome first here, and then I'll show you how that does, and then I can come back and get the marble, which might take a little bit of effort to get that because that marble's got a lot of buildup. And the thing about the marble and any other surface like this corian here, if it's a little bit more porous, the deposits really grab into the pores and don't come off quite as easy as a chrome finish like this. Okay, so this will take a little bit more work. You might get some cleaner for that, but if you don't let it build up, it doesn't take that much effort. Okay, just go ahead and get this across the front here. It's got a lot of buildup. Where all the water drips on the front of this fixture builds up a lot of that calcium. Okay, I'm gonna not get it all right now. I'm just gonna show you how it works. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little across the top here. Lighter stuff here. And then I'll show you the results, and then I'll come back and get the heavier deposits on the countertop. And it's pretty got a lot of buildup there still. It's getting there. You wipe it down here, and I'm going to show you the results, and then I'll come back and fine tune it. But you can see that let me wipe it off with a dry towel. All right, let me get a close-up of that. All right, here is the finished results. I went ahead and cleaned the countertop there a little bit. It came out pretty nice. But look at that. Look at how shiny it is with just aluminum foil and very little scrubbing. Didn't scratch. It's a beautiful finish. I pray that you are blessed and that you know Him who is the author of life.